people are joining. Okay, so students, let's begin with the Python environment now. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, today I will not open any of the PowerPoint. I will make you more familiar with the environment, Python environment. Okay. Anyway, you had been introduced with what Python is, who discovered the Python. Can you quickly tell me the name of the person or the name of the inventor who introduced the Python? Students?
Guido van Rossum.
Very good. Who answered that?
So Basim here.
Wasim. Yes,
Basim.
good. Asim. Okay.
Basim, sir. Basim.
Okay, Basim. B-A-S-I-M. Well, very good, Basim. Uh, can someone tell me something about the Python? Features of Python?
It is platform independent.
Very good. Who answered that?
Shreya.
Shreya, very good. Again, anyone who would like to add some points?
It's a high level programming.
It's a high level programming. Good.
Sir, it is open source program.
Yes, it is open source, not program. It is an open source scripting language or programming language.
It is easy to learn.
Easy to learn. Very good.
Interpreted language.
Yes, that is a very good point. So, who mentioned that?
Bilal.
Bilal. So, Bilal, can you tell me what is the interpreted language? Yes. Yes, Bilal.
Sir, line by line.
Line by line execution. Yes, very good. So there is a line by line execution. Okay. Again.
Sir, its syntax allows programmers to express their concepts in fewer lines of code.
Yes. So in you don't need to write the exhaustive codes. Okay. So moving further. Very good that everyone very well mentioned the things what we discuss. So I'm now beginning with the Python version. So you can install multiple versions as well. Like 3.9 is also installed on my desktop. on laptop as well as 3.8. In that I am having both the versions 32-bit and 64-bit. Any idea, students, what this 64 and 32-bit is? Yes? Students? Yes, any idea? Okay, I will tell you. See, the operating systems when they were developed, so they were having their capacities that with what bit rate the data will be taken. So whatever the set of instructions are there, so with those bit limits, the operating systems are processing. Okay, so initially the 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, like this the operating system versions were there. Today we are having 64-bit operating systems. Okay, so means this is a bit rate with which it is processing, and that's why we are having now high bit rate operating systems, and that's why we are having this faster computing environments. Hope you understood. I'm not going into that much technical, but for your knowledge you should be clear. Are you clear with this, students? These are the things
Yes, sir.
which are not given in the books. So whatever I'll be sharing with you all, certain, this is the overall knowledge. As a student, you should know each and every small thing, and whatever is necessary, I will keep on sharing with you all. Okay. Now moving further, I am selecting the environment. Okay. So initially we get the prompt. This is called command prompt. Okay. Here I can type like 2 plus 3. I'm getting the answer. I can type in double quotes, hello, I'm getting the string. I can also type in single quotes, how are you? Got it, students? The same thing I can use print 3 plus 4. I'm getting the answer. So print is one of the function. I may ask for time. Let's see whether, so that time function is not properly defined. Okay. I can ask for expressions 4 plus 5. I'm getting the answer 5 mod or 10 mod 2. What is the question here? 10 mod 2. What is the difference between these two? 10 mod 2 and 10 divided by 2.
So one gives the quotient and the other gives the remainder.
Yes. Who gives the quotient?
10 divided by 2 gives the quotient and 10 mod 2 gives the remainder.
Yes, very good. Now, computer uses the BODMAS rule for solving the expressions. Okay, what? Uses the BODMAS rule. What do you mean by BODMAS?
So it's the order by which division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction happens.
Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, MAS. Okay. Now, what will be the answer here? Can you post in the chat box? What will be the answer for this? Come on. Two into 3 plus 4. Yes, yes, yes. Correct. Almost everyone has answered properly. Now, Yes, now what will be the answer? Two plus 3 into 4. Please post your answer. Yes, now we are having the variations here. Now those who had answer 20, why so? Yes, Anita, can you please give explanation? 2 plus 3 into 4.
Sorry, sir, I didn't use BODMAS.
Yes, you didn't use BODMAS. Hope you understood your mistake. Brunal? Yes?
Yes, I understood.
Okay, you also understood. So all those who had answered 20, hope they understood what is wrong here. Students? So there will be first multiplication of 3 into 4, and then, so what is that 3 into 4? Yes,
12.
12 plus 2, 14. Hope you got it. Students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So this is what the processing is. Now we'll come out with few more, because I just want to make you understand how computer does the processing of expressions. Okay. Now the same thing, just change the value. Now what will be the answer? Two plus 3 into 5 plus 6. Yes, 31 is the correct. Again coming out, 2 plus 3 plus 5 into 6. Now what will be the answer? Come on. Dilip, can you explain how 60?
So it's my mistake.
Okay. Can someone explain how 35? Tejas?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you please explain?
So first we have to multiply 5 into 6 and then we'll get 30. Then we'll add 2 plus 3 and we'll get 5. So 5 plus 30 is 35.
See, the very first thing that will be executed. Means the answer is correct, but the steps are wrong. The very first
पहले
thing.
bracket open
Very,
So
yes,
bracket, bracket.
yes. Very good.
bracket open होगा.
Very good. Yes, bracket will be the first. So 2 plus 3 will be solved first. So that is
Okay,
5.
sir.
Okay. Then that plus 5 into 6. So then next will be 30. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that way the answer will be processed. Got it? Now moving further, like I'll just so here is what answer 35 is. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, just a moment.
Yes, sir.
Now next expression I am putting up 3 multiplied by 4 plus 6 divided by 2, okay, plus 4 minus 2. Can you please solve this? How it will be solved? Which part will be solved first?
Brackets.
Bracket wala, sir. Bracket 1.
So this will be solved. So see, let's go step by step. Let's go step by step. Plus 6 by 2 plus. Now what will be the answer? 2.
2.
2.
Now next what will be solved?
Division.
This one. Okay. So again 3 multiplied by 4 plus. What will be the answer here?
3.
3.
3 plus
2.
2. Next
12.
Multiplication.
12 plus 3
3
plus
plus 2.
So now all together will be solved and now we will get answer.
17.
17.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next. So now whether you will be able to solve, students. Shall I give one?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
4 by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2 by 2. Okay. Plus 6. What will be the answer?
So 11.
11. 11.
11. Okay. Sure.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. How 11?
Four divided by two is 2.
Will it be solved in that way? Okay. Chalo. 2
Plus 3 into 1.
Yes. Next. This 2 by 2 will be 1 or either way. You can do anything together. Okay. 2 plus it can be 6 by 2 also plus 6. So 6 by 2 will be what? 3.
3.
Got it? And this way you get 11. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So good that you are very well familiar with the processing. Okay. So we will go for the next part, students. Moving further. Want to execute? एक हम try करते हैं 4 by 2 it was plus 3 into 2 by 2 plus 6. Hope you understood now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Students, certain things I would like to show you about the Python. The moment you see all this, the editor, you come to know about the version of the Python, which version you are using, how many bits version it is. Okay. See the help, license, okay, credits. Now credits means who all has contributed in this version. I told you that Python is open source. Okay. So when we say open source, that means the people source code is available, people can contribute to it. So first of all, we'll learn about the license. Now you should have this knowledge, students. Believe me, many people say I know Python, but when you ask them, can you tell me about the details, how to get the license details? So you should know this license details. Can you read, students? What information it is giving?
It's
Yes.
history.
History of Python. See, it was created in 90s by Guido van Rossum. Yes, in Netherlands. So these are the main credits which has to be given and the main information. So the whole and sole rights belongs to Guido van Rossum. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you want to continue, you can click on the return or press Q. Okay. If you want something about, just type help. Want to know about operators, or so that I will show you how to come out of this. So coming back, you press quit. I will show you now the other options. You can create your file. Okay. So the file will be like new file, and by default, whatever you type, suppose I want to write some code, print welcome to data science. I will purposely call this as data science using Python. Students, to give you the feel. बहुत सुना होगा ना इसके बारे में, data science using Python. Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
can you see here it is a
Yes, sir.
untitled. See, can you see this name at the top, untitled? This is the name of your script file. So never keep the files as untitled. Even if you will keep untitled, your script will not run. Run means what is the output for that we are going to check. So before that, so you are supposed to save your file. Save as, either you create your directory or keep it in the default folder. Now I will give Python hello. Now the default extension of the file is, what do you mean by file extension? See, what is the name of the file? Can you tell me what is the name of the file?
Python hello.
Python hello.
Python hello.
Not Python hello, py hello.
Py hello.
Py hello.py. .py is the extension of your script file. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now here I am coming out with a small execution. The other features also we'll see. If your file is stored, you want to open, use the open option. If some module is there, you can open that module. We'll see that later. What are the recent files that all that you can open immediately? Okay. What is the path of the browser? Path of the browser means in which path, current path you are working. So it is showing the path. You can change this, but right now, unless and until we become the expert, don't touch to these things. Is that clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Otherwise, you won't be able to comment, or you won't be able to, sorry, execute the scripts. Okay. Then next comes with the edit option. You can edit, find again, find selections, replace, go to line, show completions. Okay. All these parameters. Then there will be the format, like format paragraph, indent region, didn't region. Okay. So all these options are there. So whatever formatting is there. Okay. So as you will progress, you will learn about this formatting. Run. Now right now what we are running, Python shell or run module. Okay. So I am clicking on this run module. Can you see the output that is appearing here?
Yes, sir.
Students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So here you get the output. Now I'm making some error here. Okay. And now trying to run. What it is asking for me first? What it is asking for me? Source must be saved. Okay, I click OK. What is the error it is showing? Can someone read the error?
Syntax error.
No, can someone read the error message of that error?
OL while scanning string.
EOL while scanning string literal. EOL is what?
Error of language.
End of line. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
End of line while scanning string literal. So it found something wrong in the syntax.
You didn't close the inverted commas.
Yes, I didn't close the inverted. Now is it okay?
No, sir. Bracket.
No, sir.
No,
Bracket.
sir.
Again bracket. Otherwise it would have given
Round
the
bracket.
Error.
Syntax error.
same error. Yes? Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here we have the options configure ideally. Now today also if I will show you, so just try to understand now at basic level that suppose your source code, what should be the format right now? Format means what your string is appearing. So courier new or what if I want to change some other format. Okay. Georgia. Okay. So it may become C. Can you see the code? See the font is changed or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this you can change the environment, configure ideally. So I basically like to keep that as a courier. Okay. You can set the fonts as per your convenient. Yes. Can you please mute somewhere? Yes, students. Students. Please check that when you, if the noise is there around you, don't unmute yourself. It is disturbing others also. Okay. Show line number. See, you can set this as a option. Can you see? Show code text. Enable all these options. So this becomes very easy for you to figure out at which line number. Got it? Students?
Yes, sir.
Now comment. Yesterday you learn about the comment. What that comment is? How we give the comment? Which symbol is used?
Using a hash.
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 Hmm. In industry, it is like written by. Like this, the details you need to mention, because if multiple people are working, okay, when multiple people are working on same project, so you need to categorize this properly. So students, well in advance I am telling you, you will need to come out with one small mini project, okay, and that project will be something that some data processing you have to do using the Python or data analytics, okay. नो नीड टू वरी दैट सर आज तो पाइथन भी नहीं आता है और ये एनालिटिक्स कैसा करेंगे. So no need to worry, as you will progress in the mid of that program, the day on which I will have the confidence on you, I will show you certain assignments and you need to work out in the similar manner. Got it? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you will be having one small mini project. Hope you got it. Don't worry, all necessary help and everything will be provided to you. So the following code is written by, I am giving my identity. The code is written for introducing Python features. Okay. I feel for multi-line what we use? Triple quotes, isn't it? Now see, when I am executing the code, now whether my comment is appearing in the output? No. Okay. So hope you understood. But if I am writing the comment in a wrong format, see, I forgot to specify that this is the comment. Okay. And I am executing the code. What happened? Students, what happened?
So that is an indentation error.
Now, very important thing, one more thing I would like to mention here. Students, in Python, the indentation is very important. Okay, whereas in C, C++, Java, you write one sentence on left side, other sentence on the other end, you write anywhere, it won't give the indentation error. But Python is very strict. You cannot give unnecessary the tabs, you cannot set unnecessary the blank spaces between any of the two keywords, because there is some special meaning assigned for that. So this you need to remember. Anyway, so although I am trying to indent, so what will happen? Still it will give the error. Okay. Unexpected indentation. Got it? Yes. Students? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's have some small basic programs. I will just purposely keep this line as it is. Suppose I want to do the addition of two numbers. So I can assign the variable directly. Now this variable becomes like x equals 5, y equals 7, and then when I say z equals x plus y, and when I say print z, isn't it so simple? Yes, can you see? So it is giving the sum also. Students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similarly, can you now write a script for swapping the two numbers? See, the value of x should become 7 and value of y should become 5. Write a script. Students,
So using a third variable.
with both the approaches I want. Using the third variable and without using the third variable. See now, without doing anything, I am trying to print, but I am getting the same value. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
To display the label, you can make use of this. So I am getting the same value. So without using the third variable and using the third variable. Okay. Be ready with the code. Waiting for your code.
So can we do like x comma y equal to y comma x?
Take the time. I'm giving 5 minutes. Don't Google and post the answers. I want without this, because okay,
Yes, sir.
don't use this technique. Use some other approach.
We have to just start the value of x and y.
So done.
Students, done? Yes, Hiram has done. Are you getting the answer, Hiram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you try with all the mathematical expressions, the division, mod?
To swap.
Not with swap, just all general mathematical expressions. Assign the
Yeah,
value
okay.
of, take the input x and y, some value. So
Yeah,
display x plus y, x minus y, x divided by y, x multiplied by y.
yeah, fine.
Print all those options.
Okay, sir.
Hope everyone got it, students. Okay. And students, come on. Okay. Students, assuming that you all had done this, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I would just like to share one small video with you all just to motivate you and know the future of the Python. So some projects where the Python is popularly being used by Google again. Okay. So hope you all are ready here. Would like to know those projects. Students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just let me know that my screen is visible. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And let me know whether it is audible also.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What's up, guys? Hope you're all doing well. Today we will be talking about 10 ambitious Google Alphabet projects you may not have heard about. Google went through a massive reorganization in October of 2015 when Alphabet became its parent company. Projects that weren't a part of Google's core businesses, such as Google search engines and Android, were spun out into separate Alphabet companies with their own CEOs. All of these moonshot projects cover everything from making smarter homes to creating robots that can work alongside humans. But even Google proper, which now falls under Alphabet, still has oversight over some of these futuristic projects. Here are 10 most ambitious moonshot projects under Alphabet and what they hope to accomplish. First is delivery drones. Project Wing is Alphabet's desire to replace your mailman with flying drones. A patent filed in October of 2014 gave us better insight as to how the project would work. The drone will lower a package using a winch to tiny robots on the ground. These robots will then wheel the packages to a safe holding location. Alphabet plans on releasing the drone delivery service to the public in 2017. Project Wing is run by Google X, the company under Alphabet. Next up is smart contact lenses. Alphabet is pursuing smart contact lenses that are solar powered and collect biological data about the wearer. Sensors embedded in the contacts could collect information like body temperature and blood alcohol content. The tech giant also announced in 2014 that it was pursuing contact lenses that would use tiny glucose sensors to measure sugar levels in your tears. The project is run by Alphabet's Verify company, which was originally named Google Life Sciences. Next up, Internet Beaming Hot Air Balloons. Project Loon is Alphabet's desire to bring internet to 2/3 of the world's population using internet beaming hot air balloons. The project has been in the works since 2011, about 2 years before it was unveiled to the public. The solar-powered balloons fly at a high altitude to provide broadband to areas without internet access. You can read the specifics about how the project works here. Project Loon is run under Google X. Next on our list, cancer detecting pill. The tech giant is designing tiny magnet particles that can look into signs of cancer and other diseases in the human body. The project, however, is at least another 4 years away from being ready for the prime time. The project is being run by Google X Research Lab. Next on our list is internet beaming drones. Alphabet has two approaches to beaming the internet around the world: hot air balloons and drones. The tech giant bought Titan Aerospace, which makes the solar-powered drones that are built to fly non-stop for years. The Titan Aerospace Solara 50 has a wingspan of 150 feet and is equipped with 3,000 solar cells, which can provide 7 kilowatts of electricity to stay airborne for 5 years. They can also take aerial photography. The drone project is run as a part of Project Titan under Google. Next up, robots. Google turned Alphabet acquired a ton of robotic companies in 2013. One that stands out is Boston Dynamics. Boston Dynamics creates a number of robots inspired by animals to aid in military use. The one pictured here is called the Cheetah robot, the fast-legged robot in the world. The Cheetah robot can get to a speed of 29 miles per hour, crushing a 13.1 mile per hour speed record set by MIT in 1989. You can see a list of Alphabet's robotic projects here. All robot projects are run as a part of Replicant, which is controlled by Google X. Next on our list is longer lasting batteries. Creating longer lasting batteries may not seem like an ambitious project, but it's actually a pretty difficult one. There is a lot of demand for batteries that last longer when it comes to creating popular consumer items like smartphones. The Alphabet CEO Larry Page told analysts in 2013 that battery life for mobile devices is a huge issue, with real potential to invent new and better experiences. A small group of just 4 members is currently working on that issue under Google X.
Got it?
Next up, giant genomic storage services. Google will store your genome in the cloud for $25, and the storage system could have a major impact on the scientific community. The hope is to collect millions of genomes to aid in scientific research. As MIT Review reports, the system could aid in collecting cancer genome clouds that would allow scientists to share information and run virtual experiments. The project is run under Google X. Next up, Google's project to cure death. The tech giant has taken on the ambitious project of extending the average lifespan. The research being done has been kept fairly hush, but we know researchers are looking at things like genes that correlate to longer lifespans in certain people. The project is run by Calico, a company under Alphabet that stands for California Life Company. And next on our list is artificial intelligence. DeepMind, which is the company's AI research firm, falls under Google as a traditional product. Google has made massive strides with refining its AI. In January, Google AI beat a human at a complex game of Go for the very first time. Google's AI was also capable of learning to play and win Atari 2600 games without any prior instruction in 2015. More recently, a company's AI system was able to successfully navigate a maze on a computer game the same way a human would. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. We will...
Yes, students. So hope you got an idea what is the future, where you may be or will be. Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
So these are very ambitious projects, but keeping the inspiration from such ideas and all, so at least you can start your journey with the small problems. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So along with your studies, also keep on knowing what is in your surrounding. So in between the lectures also, if something to share from the corporate related to the data science, so I will definitely share with you all. Meantime, one small task I will give you. Try to know some data science projects. Okay, at least one name you should know and what they are doing in that area. So this will be a small assignment for this week. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So at least you have to give one page, not even one page, in 10 to 12 lines, the name of the data science project, which company is working, what the project is, what type of analytics they are doing. So in this proper format, one page report you have to keep ready till weekend. So next week, somewhere I will ask you to share. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Students? Okay. So have a nice day. We'll stop here for today. Thank you.